What's up, guys? Now in this video, guys, we will talk about how to have a happy life. Say what? Yes, how to have a happy life. Okay. No, so paano natin gawin how to have a happy life? To have a happy life, the first thing you do is to thank God. Okay? Thank God that you have a life. Okay? You have a life and you have a healthy body and your family have healthy body too. Okay? And you have a house that you live in, people that love you and you love. Okay? And you have food in your table. Okay? That every day you wake up, because other people don't wake up anymore. Okay? So by that thing, you are already blessed by the Lord God to have everything that you want. Okay? Especially the most basic things, good health, full of love, okay? Full of family, healthy family, loving family, okay? So that's it, okay? And God bless you all. Bye-bye!